A power drill is one of the most common tools in homes today, and a must-have for do-it-yourselfers who prefer to take on household projects themselves. Drilling holes and driving screws are easy and quick with the perfect power drill in hand. However, there are so many to choose from, so we're here to help you pick the best model for you and your home. Today, we've rounded up the 5 best drills based on efficiency, portability, durability, and price. Stay with us throughout our countdown, and while you do, check out the links in the description below for the best prices on the products featured in this video. Now let's check out the list. Leading off is the DeWalt's DCD771C2 cordless drill with 20-volt max compact lithium-ion batteries. This drill kit includes the drill, a high-performance motor, and a power rating of 300 unit watts out. This enables seamless drilling at a wide range. It includes 2 20-volt lithium-ion fast-charging batteries and a compact charger that can fully charge the drill within 30 minutes to an hour. The DeWalt DCD771C2 cordless drill also comes with a durable contractor bag that neatly fits the drill and its parts. This cordless tool guarantees efficiency with its high-speed transmission featuring 2 speed selections ranging between 0 to 450 and 0 to 1500 RPM. The drill also has LED lights which come in handy when working in dark areas. It features a 1/2-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck with a carbide insert that ensures a tight grip on the drill bits and makes changing them so easy you can do it one-handed. This power drill is designed to be lightweight at only 3.6 pounds. It's ergonomic as well, providing a comfortable and easy grip for better control while working in tight spaces or for long periods of time. With its impressive capability and excellent quality, the DeWalt DCD771C2 cordless drill is highly recommended for any home project. Our second place drill is the Black & Decker LDX 120C 20-volt max lithium-ion drill. The LDX 120C is a powerful and durable drill featuring an 11-position clutch system that minimizes the stripping or overdriving of screws. The drill's dimensions of 10.6 by 3.7 by 8.5 inches and weight of 3.4 pounds make it one of the lightest drills on the market today. The drill powers about 115 inches per pound of rotating force and can deliver a speed transmission of up to 650 RPMs. Also included in the kit are the double-ended bits, the charger, and the lithium-ion battery which fully charges the drill for 1 to 2 hours and can store its charge for up to 18 months, so the drill is always ready to use. The Black & Decker LDX 120C is compact and lightweight. It's convenient in confined spaces and includes LED lights to illuminate dark areas. This tool has garnered positive reviews from its users. Due to its great quality and performance, you can count on the Black & Decker LDX 120C to drill or drive screws on wood, plastic, and metal. Stay tuned, only 3 more drills to go. In the meantime, please subscribe to our channel for a wide range of informative and helpful videos to help you decide which products are worth taking home. Click on the bell icon and be notified once a new video is uploaded. Coming in at number 3 is the Bosch DDS 181-02 18-volt lithium-ion 1/2-inch compact tough drill. This kit comes with 2 high-capacity batteries, 1 charger, and 1 carrying case. This cordless drill features a 4-pole open-frame motor, a technology patented by Bosch, to guarantee high performance and maximum power. This also enables greater comfort, durability, and safety. The Bosch DDS 181-02 is compact but tough. It can generate 2 optimized speeds of 0 to 500 RPM for larger bits that require extra torque, and a high speed setting of 0 to 1900 RPM for tasks that need smaller diameter bits. Its all-metal gearbox produces 600 inches per pound of torque, which allows up to 5 minutes of continuous drilling and driving up to 500 screws. The drill's motor brake immediately halts to allow fast and repetitive action. A keyless single-sleeve 1/2-inch auto-lock chuck makes changing bits super easy and prevents drill bits from slipping during high-torque applications. Bosch's DDS 181-02 18-volt lithium-ion 1/2-inch compact tough drill driver is engineered to give users a top-notch leverage in tight spaces and overhead tasks, thanks to its 7-inch head length and 2.8 pounds in weight. Another ergonomic feature that makes this product one of the top favorites in the market is the built-in LED light which illuminates darker areas. It comes with 2 lithium-ion high-capacity slim pack batteries, 1 fast battery charger, 1 double-sided drive bit, and a nice carrying case. Before we continue, we'd love to help you if you're interested in a particular product or category. Comment below on the products you want us to review, and we'll do our best to feature them in our next video. Just leave the research to us, and all you have to do is weigh the 5 best options and decide. Sitting at number 4, we have the versatile Ryobi P1811 1 Plus compact drill. For drilling and driving fasteners, this tool is what you need. Do-it-yourself home repairs and renovations are simple. Equipped with a keyless chuck, it allows you to change bits and switch to another job with ease, saving you a lot of time and a lot less effort. The Ryobi P1811 1 Plus drill is a good choice for beginners and for those who wish to upgrade their current tools. The drill kit includes 2 quick charging batteries that are compatible with Ryobi's 1 Plus system of tools such as fans, refrigerated coolers, and the older blue 18-volt Ryobi tool models. After usage, you can nicely store the Ryobi P1811 1 Plus drill in a lime green Ryobi tool bag with magnetic bit holder. This tool bag, even with the drill inside, can still accommodate a few extra tools. As an alternative, you can also store the Ryobi P1811 1 Plus compact drill in a toolbox, utility bag, or even a lunchbox. It's that small and handy. The Ryobi P1811 1 Plus compact drill is a smart and economical choice for those who are looking for the perfect tool set. Now, do-it-yourself chores are much easier than ever. Last on the list is the Makita XPH12R 18-volt LXT lithium-ion compact brushless cordless half-inch hammer driver drill kit. It's the best choice for users who want additional features that make drilling and driving easier. Pros prefer to use the Makita XPH12R because of its capability to provide maximum power and speed. The electronically controlled BL brushless motor delivers a 530 inches per pound of maximum torque, which greatly enhances the drill's strength and longevity. It has a variable 2-speed design of 0 to 500 and 0 to 2000 RPMs. It also has a 0 to 7500 and 0 to 30,000 beats per minute, making it extremely useful for a wide range of driving, drilling, and hammer applications. The torque setting is adjustable so you can easily control the applications when in driver mode. For masonry drilling, it can quickly be switched to the percussive hammer driver setting. The Makita XPH12R is compact and lightweight, coming in at only 3.6 pounds and measures 7 1/8 inches long. It is also engineered with extreme protection technology, a unique feature that protects the tool from water and dust during harsh conditions. The metal gear housing provides increased durability. For added comfort, the grip is encased with soft rubber and of course has dual LED lights to light up the job. This versatile tool comes with 2 18-volt LXT compact batteries, which can be fully charged within 25 minutes. And there you have it, our 5 best drills. If you're heading to the store to get one today, we hope this video was able to help you decide which drill will suit you best. If you were convinced with any of the products mentioned in this video, we have a great offer for you. Please click on the link in the description box below to get the best price. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so you know once a new video is out. And as always, we welcome your suggestions. Just leave a comment and we'll take it from there. Until the next video, thank you for watching the Review Tube.